welcome you all to the second orientation meet of Young Climate Savers, wherein we have taken up a project, and this project is School Biodiversity.
So we divided our school into 5 sections and we named them zone. As in zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. Then we 5 students did a survey where we noted down the name, the number of trees or plants, common minor, star and the house floor. Butterflies we find here the glass yellow.
He went for a trail. Also seen in the temple, like that.
We divided.
You can ask him. It is now right then, but the RE tree produces. We have prepared a biodiversity register on the plant.
My name is Gauri and I am going to tell about tamarind. The seen in our areas. The scientific name of tamarind is Tamarindus indica. It is used for many purposes and people believe that it is a tree of devils or ghosts, and they are that's why scared to go them at night. And the flowering season of tamarind is May to June. Tamarind gives us vitamin A and vitamin C. Tamarind is a native of Africa, which was brought by an Arabian trader.
The name of a mango is Mangifera indica, and the height of the mango is 35 to 40 meter. The flowers of the mango grow actually in the month of January and February, and the mango is a medium sized tree. The leaves of the mango are simple, alternate, they are broad at the center, tapering towards the end. The flowers of the mango tree are called as pinnacles. They are arranged in a group. The both male and female flowers are present in a single pinnacle.
Say about hibiscus. The scientific name of hibiscus is Hibiscus rosinensis, and its grows up to height 5 to 8 meter long, and it's very common. Its leaf is and its leaf apex is pointed, and its leaf margin is thorny. In its leaf, in the middle of the leaf, instead of having parallel lines, it is having a leaf blade which is small.
Ashoka tree. Its scientific name is Saraka ashoka. The tree grows up to 6 to 9 meter high. The flowering season of this tree is between January to March. The flowers, there is a fragrant smell in that flowers. According to the Ramayana, the Sita was held captive in the custard of Ravan under the tree only. There are many medicinal uses of these trees. For example, the mixture of leaves with cumin is helps for stomach ache.
What we are doing is we are documenting biodiversity. Now we have seen that there are certain plants which are common everywhere. Like rain tree is common everywhere, coconut is common everywhere. There are different butterflies, birds which we could see. Now the thing is, we are sitting in Dadar. There's a school that has come from Andheri, that has come from Malad, that has come from Ghatkopar, Kurla. We are spread across the city. So we get to know what is the biodiversity in pockets in different parts of this city, and how is it important for our city. Yeah, we are talking about climate change at different times, different periods of time. How does this biodiversity help in controlling or impacting climate change? Is it really important? Is it necessary that we talk about biodiversity or just talk about climate change? We can just talk about climate change and make it into a totally dry topic, talking about melting of glaciers which we cannot see, talking about increasing temperatures which we can experience, but we do not relate it to why is it increasing. Here we can talk about biodiversity, here we can talk about plants, here we can talk about birds, insects, yeah, and what is happening? Why is the number increasing? Why is the number decreasing? What is the reason? Is it a natural season or something like that? If we relate all these things, only then we can talk about climate change, and then only we can talk about taking actions related to climate change. Most importantly. And that is the reason why it is necessary that we do this project. Vaibhav is B in engineering. He's done his engineering and he was working with Godrej, and right now he's on a mission. He's on an environmental mission. He believes in sustainable livelihoods, greening of the earth, and he's going to cycle something like 79,000 kilometers across the world. He is going to first do that in India. He is going to go across the country. The first cycle flag off across the country will be on 15th of December, but on this Sunday there is a cycling event that starts from Gateway of India till Thane, and all those who are interested can participate, and we can wish him all the best and we all can be a part of it.
As Mr. Golden said, my name is Vaibhav Desai. By profession, by education, I have done engineering in computers. I was a software professional. I am also into adventures, outdoor activities, especially exploring the world by cycle. Previously also I cycled around the length of India. And presently I am going on a campaign by the name Green Cycle Greener, which is also the name of my website. Please visit it. And I will be for the first 2 years, I will be covering all the states of India, and then I will be going outside. But what I realized is, ultimate thing, as Mr. Golden was saying, that we cannot know much about, or we cannot practically see what is happening very far, far away, like melting of glaciers, melting of Antarctica. We can only read the effects, when the whole Antarctica gets, melt down, every coastline, all the cities along the coastline are going to get down. You know this? I love this show, and I always not be like him, but we can always do our bit to be a Captain Planet in some or the other. Why not bring trees, bring nature towards us? Why are we cutting down trees near us and then earning more and more money and going buying a farmhouse very far away? Rather protect the nature, adopt a tree in your lifetime. Yeah, I can see this tree near my school, near my house. I will see to it that in my lifetime no one cuts this. Believe me, and this is the fact. Every world leader and the scientists have accepted. This is not the work of a government. You will be saying, yes, I will give money to some organizations, government, and they will plant it. It's their job, but it's job of WWF or any other organization. Yes, it's their job, but it only starts when each and every one of you, including me, starts doing some action, take some active part.